Learning to market on social media can help you increase your sales while promoting your brand. Social media marketing is an inexpensive yet effective way to reach a wider range of people across different platforms. You can also attract your audience even if you are on a tight budget by developing quality content. Hi, my name is Jessica, and in this video by IIM Skills, I am going to be telling you 6 effective tips that are going to help you build a great social media strategy. So stick around till the end of the video as they are quite a valuable lot. Also, if you are new to our channel, welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe to continue viewing content that will actually help you upskill. The first tip is to understand who will consume your content. Many businesses make the mistake of trying to reach out to everyone. But by understanding and organizing your audience, you will send out the right message to the right people, which will ultimately help your marketing efforts bear fruit. The start of any marketing plan begins with identifying your target audience, so you will understand who is going to consume your content. So you start with building a rough demographic of your audience for your products and services. Also, gathering this kind of information may seem a little overwhelming in the beginning, but you can make use of Google Analytics for extensive information about your target audience, or you can even use platforms like Facebook and Twitter, which have built-in analytics, and they give you information about your followers, like where they post, when they post, and even their interests. Plus, these built-in tools are absolutely free to use, especially if you're having a business account. The second tip is to be more consistent with posting on social media. Success on social media is a matter of posting engaging content regularly. Not only does this showcase your brand as being dependable, but it also shows that you have timely knowledge and you care to be in conversation with your audience. You can also live stream occasionally, which will help you in your organic reach on social media. Now, live streaming will also help you reach more people at a time and add that personal touch with your audience and give them an insight into your business. Also, by focusing on relevant content, you are showing the algorithms that your content is worthy of popping up on various news feeds, which will attract more followers to your page and increase your website traffic, and a lot more people will be introduced to your business. The third tip is to be wise about which social media platform to choose to market your brand or business. Now, considering aiming at different social media apps and platforms is not a bad idea to reach your target audience, but you would want to focus more on those platforms and apps that your customers are likely to use. So you should always ask yourself 3 very important questions, which are where your audience is, where your competition is posting, and what your metrics tell you. Let me give you some very interesting trivia so you are able to pick the right social media platform for your strategy. Now, Facebook offers quality video streaming like live video, as well as a high functioning messaging platform, allowing brands to interact one-on-one with their customers. Instagram is great for visually compelling posts and shorter videos, which could be creative. On the other hand, YouTube is great for long-form educational or informational content. Twitter is great for real-time conversations and news updates and alerts. LinkedIn is ideal for long-form written content like blogs, and Pinterest allows its followers to explore its content and relies heavily on visual content to attract its followers and users. So depending upon your strategy, you may realize that you don't have to use YouTube so much if most of your users are primarily using Facebook. On the other hand, if you feel that you are doing a better job with pictures than words, then Instagram is the ideal platform for you. Make sure that you research the strategy for each social media platform to make the most of your marketing. The fourth tip is to ensure that you pick the right time to post on social media. Now, creating quality content will ensure that you get the engagement from your audience. But if you post at a time when your target audience is not active online, then there is a possibility that they will miss out on your post. So you could do a little bit of research and find the ideal time your audience is active online by taking a look at your social media analytics. Many social media management tools also give you an insight into the best times to post. or you can even experiment by posting at different times of the day and then understanding which time is the best in terms of reach and engagement. The fifth tip is to set a clear goal to guide your marketing efforts. You would not know what direction you are heading in if you do not have a clear goal. So you must know what outcome you are expecting from your social media strategy, whether it is to increase your sales or followers or simply expand your brand reach or formulate a new campaign. You should also understand that your goals must be achievable and realistic, and you should not forget to set a clear timeline. It is advised by experts that you should focus on your engagement level, reach of the post, conversion rates, and click-through rates to understand if the strategy is working for your brand. The last tip is to prioritize quality over quantity. Instead of posting multiple times a day on as many platforms as possible, it is wise that you focus on posting consistent and quality content. Some social media sites may even consider penalizing your account and marking you as spam for too many low-quality posts. You can also consider implementing a social media calendar, which is going to help you plan posts in advance and ensure that you stay organized. And this was all from my end. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, you subscribing to IIM Skills will mean a lot to us. Thank you for watching.